Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic for you. How to set Siri only for my voice, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's jump into the settings on your iPhone. Head over to Settings and scroll down to find Siri and search. Once you're in the Siri and search settings, look for the option Listen for Hey Siri. This is the feature that allows Siri to always be ready to assist you. Now, let's take it up a notch. Go to Siri Voice and select Hey Siri. Here, Siri will guide you through a few voice recognition exercises. It's important to follow the prompts and speak clearly so Siri can learn and identify your voice. After completing the voice recognition setup, ensure that Siri responds exclusively to your voice commands. It's always a good idea to test the setup. Try using the Hey Siri command from different distances and angles to see how well Siri recognizes your voice. This step ensures that your personalized Siri experience is working seamlessly. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of tips for optimal performance. Make sure to retrain Siri if there are significant changes in your voice due to illness or other factors. Additionally, a quiet environment during the initial setup helps Siri better understand your voice. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to set up Siri to respond exclusively to your voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.